Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle at Four Stars Sudoku in today's newspaper on Thursday, January the 21st, 2025. We have only 3 regular puzzles, and one of them I've already solved, the 3-star Sudoku, so 2 puzzle is remaining. The JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, and this one, the Sudoku with 4 stars. News of the day, well, I've told you earlier, in Colombia they have found or catch 8,200 kilos, that's a record, cocaine, cocaine. Alright, this one will be number 9959. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Usually the 4 stars puzzle has 24. This one has 2 digits less. Should be a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with the 4 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Oh, correction, not 20 to 30 minutes, 30 minutes or more to solve. Yeah. Question is this a 4 stars puzzle or a 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. 7, okay. Need 2 here. 5. Need a 5 here. The 5 there. Complicated, but we have one number. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place level 3 should be there. 3, yeah. In this big square, we have 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 in these 2 boxes. We have 3 in this row, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So there's 3 in this big square, could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, 3 in the column next. So that column, the only place level 3 should be there. 3, 3. 3, 3. And I need a 3 here. Okay. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row, so in the third row. The only 2 places level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 7. I need 7 here. I need 7 there. I need a 4 here. And I need a 4. Need a 4 here. Yeah. Come on. 8, need 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are 2 and a 6. We have 2 and a 6 in this column. No 2 and a 6 in these 3 boxes. 2 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. So what are these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 149. No. Cannot fill this yet. 149. Need a 1 here. 149. 5, 7. 578. That means in this column 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers in this column are the numbers. We have a 1 here, the 2, the 3, we have a 4 here. 5 is missing, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 5, 7, 8. excuse me, 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8, and look, we have 5 and a 7 in this last row. No 5 and a 7 in this box. 5 and a 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number 8. 8 in the last row, 8 in that row. So the row between the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 in the second column, no 8 there. The only place left for 8 should be there. 5, 5. 5, 5. In this big square, we need a 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 in these two marks. So the 4 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 and the 4. The 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 9, 9. These 3 missing numbers in this column are the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and the 8 is missing. 4, 6, 8. The other 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8. 9 is missing. 1, 5, 9. And look, we have a 5 and a 9 in the middle row. No 5 and a 9 in this box. 5 and the 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 1. Okay. Need an 8 here. Need a 3 there. Okay. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah. 5. In this big square, we need a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 in these 3 boxes. We have 5 in the middle column, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 5 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 5 should be there. Then I've eliminated here the 9, so the 9 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 9 should be here. I need a 2 here. I need a 7 here. In this big square, we need a 1. We have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 goes together with the 5 as a pair. So what are these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and the 8 is missing. 2, 6, 8. 2, 6, 8, 2, 6, 8, 2, 6, 8. And look, we have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. The only place left for 8 should be there. So the 2 and the 6 are left. Let me mark those. Right. 9, 9. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. Need 3 here. Need a 5. Come on, come on, come on. 1, 1. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 here. Need a 9 here or there. Six. Well, these 1, 2, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5. In this row, we need a 2. Well, here can be 2. Here can be 2. We have 2 in the second column, no 2 there. Here can be 2. We have 2 in the third column, no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 in this row should be there. So 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. In this one, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Need a 6, need a 9, and I need a 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left 1 should be there. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there, and we have a pair in this column. The 1 and the 3 in this column, the 1 and the 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column. For number 2 and the 6, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 6 goes there. Then need a 2 there, yeah. And I need a 6 and a 9. Yeah. In these 2 missing these 2 boxes, the 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers: the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. So we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 in the third column, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there then. 3, 4, and I need a 6 here. Okay, and now 9, 9. Need a 6, need a 5 here, and I need a 2 here. Uh, 1, 4, 9, and look, we have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 in the 1 and a 4 in this row, so no 1 and 4 in this box. 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there, so 1 digit left in this column for the number 9. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 6 and a 9, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Need a 6 here, 1 box left in this column for the number. The 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and a 6, we have a 2 now in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here. Or there, we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 1 box left now in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 1 box left now in the third row for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. And 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 7 is missing, 6 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 6 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for 6 should be there. So the 2 numbers left, the 4 and 8. We have an 8 in this row, middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the first row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. Let me mark those. Here we have a pair. Okay. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Here also 2 numbers left, the 6 and the 7. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 6 or 7, we have a 6 now, so this box should be a 7. 6 or 7, we have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And we have a pair. Wait, 2 numbers left. In this column for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Whoa! Not faster than 40 minutes, not a 4, not a 3, not a 2. Let me give this a 1 star. Yeah, I'm faster than 50 minutes, so well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the JigSaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.